What's in the box? I'm Ben with Safe Drive Solutions, and today we're going to talk about the IROAD FX2. So, what's in the box? You get a front camera. The front camera, you can adjust the angle just like this depending on how you mount it on your front windshield. It actually has a separate little mount that comes on and off that applies with 3M tape onto your windshield. We also have, right here, is your Wi-Fi dongle, your rear camera input, and the power cord plug-in. On the side here, you actually have the manual recording button, which they put right on the side, and the Wi-Fi button so that you can do the Wi-Fi registration to pair your phone. There also is the micro SD card slot, which is right on the side as well. Here's the rear camera, very similar to other IROAD products, very small in size, mounts with 3M tape as well. You also get a cable that goes from the front to the back, typically approximately 20 feet in length. Power cord, power ground and ignition hookup. SD card, 32 gigabytes. It's going to give you approximately 2 hours of continuous record time. And you can purchase up to a 256, which is going to give you, I think that's about 16 hours continuous record time, which is quite a bit. Also, all of our units, we include, all the IROAD units, we include a free cigarette lighter plug-in. That way, if you don't want to hardwire it in, you can also use this. And last but not least, the owner's guide. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to us. Thanks.